About 2 weeks ago, OpenAI released ChatGPT, the best AI language model until now. This AI language model reached 1 million users in less than 5 days, something that took Facebook 2 years. For good reason though. The capabilities of this language model are truly mind-blowing. ChatGPT and AIs like it are going to be essential tools for every knowledge worker. If ChatGPT and its successors grow at the rate Facebook did, 30% of knowledge workers worldwide will be using large language model daily within the next 2 years. That's 1.75 billion people. Quite a big number, right? At GPT Ideas, we are building tooling that could potentially serve all of those people. Our first MVP is a prompting IDE, a generative IDE, integrated developer environment that enables people to create good prompts and integrate this new technology into their daily work. What if we can grab 30% of this market and make over 500 million people twice as efficient and valuable at their job? That's our mission. GPT Ideas is looking for networking support to find advisors and investors and make this a reality. And yes, I did ask ChatGPT to improve this pitch. I hope you like the result.